with spacious dust-free workshops, advanced equipment, a robust R&D team, and experienced skilled workers. All our products produced according to several measurement systems and strictly measure the producing process. Mingstar, as a rising star in the LED industry, strives to provide customers with better one-stop service, continuously optimize quality control system and supply chain, and quality inspection. All of our half-faced modules, cabinets, and LED boards are repeatedly tested and inspected to ensure that they meet our standards for quality and value. The manufacture process has been developed and refined over the years through our various testing processes.
For more info, please contact us.